One thing Modo misses from quite broad selection system is intersect lasso. You can add or remove, but not intersect. This changes now with Select Intersect mode, available when holding Ctrl-Shift and using lasso either in normal or true mode. Another thing which sometimes can be frustrating is that Command Select Connected available under Ctrl-Shift plus double-click can sometimes fail. This happens when the border selection is irregular or there is open border. modoNerdistry Select Flood can help with those situations. Use a command or a shortcut when over-selected, not connected polygon. One small addition is also assigning simple script to Shift middle mouse click, which result in selecting shortest selection from previous component to the one we are clicking with middle mouse button.